Hey guys, I'm Wes and welcome back to my shop. This week, I'm going to review another laser from Firecore. It is the FP-3G. The G, I believe, means green, for a green laser. Now this is a lot like the last one they sent out to me. The last one was a pinpoint laser or plumb blob laser as well, and it was a red laser beam. This one's a green. They claim that green is a lot easier to see in daylight. If you'd like to get one of these laser levels for yourself, I'll leave an Amazon link in the description. This is what it looks like when it comes in the mail. A white box. Inside you'll find you have a nice carrying case. So it's a little Velcro strap. Inside you'll find a wall mount. It's just like the one that came with the red laser beam. You have the laser. And as you can see, this is the red, this is the green. They're very similar. This is a lot like the red laser. All you do is you press that button and it turns the laser on. You can see there's a dot there. Then to turn the level on is just this. And then it automatically levels. Let's test this to see how it does. Okay, so we're outside here. It's a nice bright day. This one here is the green, this one here is the red. They claim the green is a lot easier to see in daylight. I'm gonna show you this here for a minute. Now this is a really good example. That is the green, that is the red. And just look how much brighter it is. I would say by far, green is the way to go. I'm gonna say we're shooting probably 20 to 30 feet away. Okay, so let me get something set up here. We'll do a range test. I'm gonna set a table up and we'll go as far back as we can and we'll see how far we can go before we can't see this laser beam anymore. So this should be interesting. Okay, I just paced this out at 40 feet. Let's see here. Okay, this is the green, that is the red. We'll turn the levels on. Okay, red first. Now, I gotta be honest, I don't see it. Okay, 40 feet away. Is that it over there? I don't see the beam from here, but let's see if we get up close, if we can see it. There's one dot, that's the green, and that one there's the red. I'm gonna say, being just from looking, that the green is a lot easier to see. It's a lot brighter. Okay, so now let's try to back it up. Maybe let's go maybe 10 or 15 more feet back and we'll see if we can still see the green laser. I'm gonna stop comparing it with the red because I'm really, at 40 feet, I'm having a really hard time finding the red. And so we'll just concentrate with just the green laser beam from now on. We'll do more experiments with that. I paced out another 15 more feet, so on top of that 40 plus 15, that, if my math is right, that's 55 feet. Let's turn this on. That's on. And we'll turn the level on too. Oh wow, I can actually see it from here still. Let me see if I can zoom you in here. Might be hard to see on camera. I'm gonna bring you guys in super close for this. It's hard to tell, but it's right there. So first impressions, I am very impressed with the green laser. It performed really well in the daylight. At 55 feet, I could still see it. Anything past that, it was hard to see. If I had to choose between the red or the green, if I was buying one, I probably would choose the green because it's a lot easier to see in daylight, and sorry for the noisy traffic. If you guys have any questions or comments or anything you'd like to add to this video, just leave them in the comments below. And also, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. And if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and share this with all your friends. And like always, we'll see you in the next one.